you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
What you got running here, man?
Got 6 American-based 15s. The Hawks.
Yeah.
Started way back in history with that and me. My
On these things?
I got a 11,000 watt Comp D American bass amp.
These are American bass Hawks?
Yep.
They ain't very like tall or anything like doing all of that.
Mm-hmm.
You built everything yourself?
Me and Aaron Bodie.
Yeah, Aaron, Aaron.
We knocked it out in about 3 days.
Really? It don't take long to do it, as long as you get right on it.
They're basically a bunch of small boxes and they're bolted all together with double wall on around the outside.
Yeah. Just became it simple. That's what we did.
Yep.
Just built us a little frame and just made it work. We don't really know what it's tuned to, but
you figure that out as you go.
Yeah, well, we go. Yeah, we DIY'd it. So yeah. What can I find you on social media, man?
Should be Ryan Huddleston on Facebook.
Okay. Yeah, I'll be sure to give him a follow. Appreciate it, man. That was good demo, man.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
This motherfucker is hot, boy. You put the. Thank you.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.